गोंयच्या इंडस्ट्रीत जायत्यो वॅकन्सी आसात, मात गोंयकार इंडस्ट्रीनी काम करूंक फुडें सरनात. नेम पाळटात, मिनिमम वेजीसचा परस बरो पॅकेज दितात म्हूण उद्योजकांची मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या वक्तव्याचेर प्रतिक्रिया. गोंयकार कामगारांक पिडचे न्ही म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयल्लो.
In Goa, I think pharma is the biggest industry for employment. We discussed with the Honorable CM that there is a need for more pharmacy colleges so that we can get more pharmacists. We need around 500 pharmacists every year, though we get only 100 or so. Second is apprentices, whether they can also be allowed to work in shift. So we can employ, I think, 3 times the apprentices we are employing. After 1 year, most of the apprentices are absorbed because the scarcity is there. They are trained for a year and then absorbed in industry. Travel and transportation is another area where the local youth coming from villages have a difficulty to come to the industrial area. All pharma industries comply to all the labor rules, regulation, also the minimum wages. Even pharma is paying more than the minimum wages which is required.
And because the Goan employment or the Goan youth is not available, we have to go to the neighboring states and get the labor. What we look at the government in supporting us is with the data. However, that is what we request the government to come up with a proper data. The employment exchange and the industries can work together and then we can formulate a plan.
पर्यटन मळार कितलेशेच उद्योग खंय रजिस्टर्ड ना. रजिस्ट्रेशनाचे नेम सरळ आणि डिजिटल करचे म्हूण TTAG मागता.
From a tourism perspective, it is a great initiative. There are a lot of businesses which are operating without registering with the Department of Tourism or without any licenses. These are hampering businesses which comply with all legal requirements and licensing requirements. Whenever compliances are there, they should be made as easy as possible, and wherever possible, digital modes of complying should be applied.
Bureau Report, Prudent.